Hey, Sebastian here from Zignify. If you're watching this, then there's a good chance that you've already found a potential manufacturer for your product, either together with us or by yourself, and that's great. But finding the manufacturer is really only one part of the journey. The next question is, how do we get from having a supplier to having a finished, compliant, quality checked product safely delivered to where you need it? Now, there are several important steps along the way. For example, how should you structure your agreement with the supplier before sending the money? Who makes sure that the production stays on schedule and the supplier actually follows what was agreed? And when should you inspect the products? What compliance requirements apply in your target market? And how should you organize international logistics? Now, we've created this page to walk you through the journey step by step. Each section has a short video explaining what you should think about, why it matters, and where Zignify can help and can support if you need help. You absolutely don't need to use us for every step. The purpose is, first of all, to make sure that you understand what comes next and so that you can make the right decisions for your business. Have a look through the journey, watch the videos that are relevant to you, and at the bottom you can simply select anything you'd like our team to help you with. Let's get started.